Hello my beautiful people. In this video we're going to be announcing a giveaway of this beautiful cover collection. The rules are as follows: subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow 2cutenails and 2cuteMiami, and repost this video. These are all the covers that are going to be in the giveaway, and to show y'all it's worth it, let me show you how beautifully it works. It lays just like butter. When you place it, it doesn't move from where you place it. It does not run anywhere. Probably one of the products that have made my application way faster and way easier. This acrylic is called Bubble Yum. It is a beautiful pink color, and if you're a pink girl, you need this. Please do not mind my brush. It's a bit rough, but that's how you know it works really well. This brush is also from 2cutenails. It is in the size 12. One of my favorite brushes, as you can tell by how dirty it is. But I'm gonna zoom it in so y'all can see how the product works. And this is my cuticle bead, mind you. All I have to do is just guide it in the right direction. It won't run or touch the skin. And I literally finished my application in like 0.2 seconds. Obviously not literally, but you know what I mean. And the blend, it is so seamless and so beautiful. It looks like I did one bead and not two. Do you need more convincing that you need this cover collection? Make sure you follow the rules to enter the giveaway. If you do not follow the rules, you won't be entered in the giveaway. The rules will be in the description, and I'll mention them at the end of the video. This is the color Strawberry Milk. It is honestly one of my favorite colors. I love them so much. It's like a perfect baby pink color, and the consistency, beautiful. I feel like I'm gonna be saying that the rest of the video, but like, I'm being for real right now. You really need these. You can tell that I'm literally just guiding it in the right direction. I'm not struggling to apply it or struggling in any way, sense, or form. I'm guiding it, shaping it, and boom, done. I'm not gonna be showing the whole entire collection. That would be the longest video on earth, but these are some of my favorites, and I believe that every nail tech needs these in their collection, because who doesn't love pinks? Like, come on now. And here is the cuticle bead, and it did not move from where I placed it at all. Come on, I'm gonna be repeating that the entire time, and it literally takes me like 0.5 seconds. Look at this. Boom, blend. And it blends so seamlessly. Like, who doesn't want this? A nail tech's dream, let me just say. Doing the 2 bead method just because it's a little faster. Normally I would do 1 bead, but I had to show y'all how well it blends. My favorite products, hands down. This next color is Everyday Nude, and the name is literally what it is. It's an everyday nude. You can use it for any occasion. It's the perfect nude. And the way that I applied this so fast, I was kind of mind blown. But I did stiletto just because I love my stiletto shapes, and I feel like it's an easy shape to apply acrylic. I don't know, I may be wrong. Y'all let me know. But here I go. I'm literally just guiding it, shaping it, make sure it's good. One tip I can 100% give to any nail techs: clean up your sidewalls at all times. That's gonna keep somewhat the shape intact, and your shaping is not gonna take as long. So your tip for the day for any beginners. And cuticle beads, another tip is place it just below the cuticle. Once you place it, push it up near the cuticle, but don't let it touch the skin. Just push it up slightly, and once you feel it's the closest it could get, you can just blend down. It's a routine that you kind of just have to put in place and practice at all times so you get the hang of it. But yes, that's Everyday Nude, and we are going with Ombre White. This is like a milky white, and I can definitely tell you this is one of my favorites. I already have a bunch of favorites, but this is one of my favorites. It's the perfect milky white, and I love a good white on white French, so this definitely gives it a perfect white on white French. And the consistency of this, oh my goodness. If I haven't convinced you, then I don't know what else I'm gonna say, because these are one of the best consistency products I've ever had, and I've tried many. Of course, you also have to keep in mind that you have to know what you're doing and get a correct liquid to powder ratio. If you are not making sure you have the correct liquid to powder ratio, the consistency of your beads are not going to be as good as they should be. So please keep that in mind. That is why practice makes perfect. It's not something that you master overnight. You have to keep practicing in order to master it. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention, I am using the 2cutenails monomer. This is 2cutenails everything, alright? And this is evidence that everything you get from 2cutenails makes everything work so much better. Oh my god, we are done with application. This is beautiful. Look at these colors. Oh my god, I'm gonna shape them and top coat them, and here we are. Oh my goodness, the last step, obviously add cuticle oil all the time. Oh my god, do y'all see? Oh my god, I love these. I get so excited because honestly, like, these colors are so beautiful. And the color that I have on my thumb is Single Again. I couldn't get a good angle, so I just kind of took it out, but also a beautiful color. Do not mind my cut on my pointer finger. I'm always somehow hurting myself, but here is the final result. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't know, if this video didn't convince you that you need to enter this giveaway so you can get these colors, I genuinely don't know what will. But here are the rules as a reminder. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow 2cutenails and 2cuteMiami, and repost this video, share it, send this to all nail techs that you know. And here we are at the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and make sure you enter this giveaway. Bye.